Hi, I'm Jason Hu,
I'm Brandon Estrada.
And Georgia Delgado.
I'm Ian Angelis.
and here's our Yahtzee project for Engineering 006. So I'll start by just playing the game through once. So this is Yahtzee. It's a simplified version. As you may know, you can roll the dice 3 times, and you can hold whichever ones you want. But in this case, we already used all three. And then we can choose a category to submit our score. So let's submit our sixes. And so then we can play again, whatever dice we want, and then submit another score. And if you try to use um, the same category as before, there will be an error. And so that's the basic functionality of the game. And so in terms of what I did on this project, I coded the functions for submitting the scores of ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, and sixes, and also the small straight and the large straight. And I also created the functionality for the audio that plays when you roll, submit, and you try to do another category.
Okay, so the main part that I did in this project was I made like basically like the foundation to the code. I made the all the other ones said the three of a kind, four of a kind, the full house, Yahtzee chance, whenever you roll to be able to get the score when you submit it. Then we also had obviously like the layouts with the adding the callback functions to the design, app design. Like got all the drop downs, categories, making sure whenever the button is clicked on the app that the function works well. And yeah, basically that's it.
Mhm. So I helped out. I tried to help. I was helping out Brandon with the coding, things like the adding up the score and stuff like that, as well as like the dice roll. And as well, I was responsible with making it playable on two separate devices. So that was the ThinkSpeak part. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to work that out properly. I had issues with um, essentially getting it over to transfer onto a new device. And then from there, I tried making the game playable on the same device between two players, but unfortunately, I kept on getting errors, which I wasn't sure how to fix. And so that now the game is how it is right now.
So what I mainly worked on was the GUI of the game. I just really wanted to make sure that it was, very easy to play and that it's very user friendly. I made sure that we had the roll button and the submit buttons. Obviously, I wasn't the one who was coding in the callbacks, but I did figure out where to put those callbacks in and what to do and how to actually call them back up with the startup function. And I just really wanted the GUI to be simple. And obviously, I'm gonna do a little bit more work on making it a little bit more presentable and very fun for anyone of all ages to play Yahtzee because I think that's just amazing.
And yeah, that's about it for the project.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, that was kind of short, but what else can we put in it?